We'll see what Tracy's got down here, see if we can move some of her stuff.
Right, here we are on the Leeds-Liverpool car again, in Wigan again, in Aspull, however you pronounce it. Put it on the, hopefully I'll put it on the words on the intro. Lock 66, bridge 57, bridge 58 down there, another lock there, 60 whatever it will be, bridge 58. We're all just congregating around this little section here. Yeah. Me and Paul are going to try and head to that bridge later on, 57. So, do a little bit here. Yeah, I'll do a little bit here first. I'll go to the bridge. Yeah. Blackpool's had a fair few things out. Paul's just had a couple of things out. Just helped Paul with something big. Yeah. So yeah. Looks nice now. Look at that. You know, my gloves on when I helped him. Right, let's get fishing. Fishing this a little bit. I might move in a minute because the metal sidings, if you can see them. But I've had out the keys. Took my gloves off so I can't touch them. I need my gloves on, don't I? That circular thing there. Hold on. That. 1 minute. I'll get my gloves on. Right, got my glove on now. Keys. There's a colour gun now. There it is. Yellow. Yellow or gold. It's like a metal bar thing. Yeah. A bolt with a. Someone might want that. Blackpool or Tracy might want that for something, or Paul. That first. Looks like a brass thing on it. You can see it. Get the camera down. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know if it's something to do with this, because it's the same sort of colour. Look, it's got a spinning disc thing there. And it says, oh, it's got all those, I can't remember what they are now, but if you know, you know. There we go, that. And then it says that, 2-speed, ground, oh, that wasn't covered before, oh man, anyway. Whatever that says there. It's pretty heavy as well. It's like a little motor thing, isn't it? It's got some wires coming out of it. There we go. Couple more chucks here. And I'll move to where there's no metal tidings over there. Try there a little bit and then go over to that bridge where I was going. Tim and Tori are there. He's fishing the bottom of my lock. Hopefully he's got some stuff. He's moved down from the other lock. So, yep, bring it back. Oh, that's scrap there. Bit of a screwdriver, a little bit of a grill thing. I've got this here, which I don't know what it is. It's got a, yeah, it's pretty heavy. Feels like iron or something. And then I got a meat hook, or Alan says it's a meat hook anyway. I'm gonna say it's a meat hook. And if it's not, blame him. But yeah, someone's used it as like a grappling hook. Sort of got stalk like, you know, obviously. But yeah, meat hook. Sweet. And then I'll show you, because I've just been, what was it about? And I've just been over to that bridge. I'll show you what I've got out up to now. There goes the boat. Right, I've had, so now, it's got a rubber end on it. Yeah. Might be off a car or something, I don't know, anyway, yeah. Old door lock, look at that. Proper chuff when I got that out. Wanted one of these for ages. It's just a cover, like a drain cover or a gas cover, but it's little and heavy. Whoa. So Paul will be having that. I'll kindly give that to Paul. Yeah. Right. Some more whatevers. One pair of scissors, they work. That's the first find actually. One scrap, a pole, and I'm not sure if any subscribers are in Wigan, or I know anyone in Wigan, but hopefully you can see that. I like key ring as well. Okay. Do you recognise yourself, or yeah, anyone on there? Found. Clear up a bit. Now what I usually do when I try and clear stuff up, I make it, there you go, make it more dirty, but I don't know. I don't know if you can. There you go, do you recognise that? I've got your key ring. It was at Bridge 57 in Aspull, or whatever you call it, in Wigan. Okay. There you go. Still at Bridge 57. Just helped Tory Paul and Tim, I forgot his name, get something out of the water for Tory. I didn't say that right, did I? Anyway, Tory was stuck on something and us big three burly strong young men helped her get something out. So on the other side of the bridge we were. Anyway, yeah. Right, while I'm talking, just have a look at some channels, because I'm going to show you some finds. And the last find, again, the last find before I wanted to sit down and have some dinner, yeah, just brought a really cool find out. It's not a knife, but it's something cool. It's in good condition as well. Anyway, yeah, there you go, there's some channels. Right, let's have a look. Right, where do we leave off? Got that. Well, that is, if you can get it in shot down, it helps. Yeah, it really does, you know. There we go. That thing there. Look at that, I was happy with that. Oops. Chromvanium, or whatever it says, I don't care. There you go. Clean that up. Bit of chuff with that. Window wiper. Bits and bobs and bits. And then last chuck before me dinner. Look at that. Awesome. Pickaxe head. Got a sharp bit. I'll have you a better look at it later, because I've got no gloves on at the minute. Look at that. And it's really good quality. It's not rusty or anything. It's like, see, black and silver on it as well. Yeah, and it's got a flat end on it. Flat end. You know what I mean. You know I get verbal diarrhea on these videos. It's a spoon, it's a spoon, whatever it is. There you go, look. Ta-da, look at that. How awesome's that? Boom. Going for my dinner now. Right, still at this bridge. Fell off. Oh well, right. Hang on a minute. Let's see that one there as well. Ooh, what have I got? Right, first, got a nice little perfume pot. I'm going to move the Slack Clans bag because I'm dripping crap on it. There you go, sorry. Yeah, okay. That's all cones. I've got something on a magnet now and I've just dropped my magnet and I'm... Right, we'll see in a minute. I'm being cryptic, but look at that. Don't know if it's got perfume in or if it's offering. Oh, look, open and shut. Where's that name on this? Oh, a minute ago. What the? Oh. That was a letdown, wasn't it? There you go. Car perfume. Yeah. I'll have a whiff of that later. Rusty bar. Yeah. Got, what was this now? I spotted this a minute ago. No, it's just it's a solid metal bit. It's the same shape as this cheeky monkey here. Look at that. Nice shotgun shell. With a, as James from Magnet and Steel would say, a bit of a cheeky find. Look at that. Yeah. Unfired. There we go. Nice. That on the pickaxe head. Good. That was, you won't be able to see it, but oh, hang on a minute, turn you a bit. Right, can you see it? Can you see it? Right. There, where the curve of the wall meets the water and it goes along that way. I was just there, right next to that wall. That. So I thought if anyone's lobbing anything off the bridge, can't go in there. Little cheeky spot hidden by all the plants. So yeah. Right, so just have them over there. You see it? Yeah. So grip things. Yeah. What are they? I don't know what they are. I'll show them Paul or AJ or Steve from Blackpool Magneteers. They'll know what they are. Or Andrew from Northwest Magnets might know as well. You know what? First person to come to, I'll ask. See what they are. Alan might know as well. Everybody might know, but not me. There you go. Look at that now, just right next to the wall. Oh, someone's been biting it. Look at that, look at the tail. There we go. Nice low. With a wire trace, yeah. I've had 3 spinners as well. 1 from here, silver one, and 2 from the other spot as well, which I forgot to record. Alright, I know Paul, you said before about yours being a strong magnet, but my magnet's just pulled in a tractor. Look at that! And that little cheeky monkey there driving it, pulled him in as well. Look at that! Tractor. There you go. Little shotgun shell. Unfired. This one's green. What's it got on it? Half what? Half something, half. I don't know. What that is. You see it? I don't know. There we go. Bang bang. Mate. Number 3. Look at that. Me and Paul have just been discussing these. Look at that. I don't have my camera's wonky. Don't matter. Too late now. That's a pigeon. I'm reading upside down and I'm dyslexic. That's a pigeon. If it doesn't say pigeon, just pretend it didn't say pigeon. Look at that. Look at that. I will do the. I would do the Xena, but I can't do it. Look at that. Two, three.
We're going to see what Tracy's got down here, see if we can move some of hers up.
Let me guess. Number 4. Unfired. Nice. Number 4. Right, that's it now. Yeah, we're all finishing up now. Packing up, ready to go. Tidying up, last little bits, every little bit off the floor. I've got to take my bottle, wind my magnet up, take my tractor, my spanner. Yeah, finished now. Cool day, nice little bridge. Shotgun shell bridge, I'll call it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and smack that bell. Smell you later.